The new seven wonders of the world are Taj Mahal, Great Wall of China, Christ the Redeemer statue, Machu Picchu, Chichen Itza, the Roman Colosseum, Petra. Now we will know about Taj Mahal. Today the Taj Mahal is listed as one of the new seven wonders of the world. It was built by Shah Jahan as a memorial to his wife. The construction of mausoleum began in 1632 and was completed in 1648. This tomb is made of white marble and is a showpiece of Mughal architecture. It is supposed to represent Shah Jahan's vision of Mumtaz Mahal's home in paradise. The architecture of Taj Mahal combines elements of Islamic, Indian, Persian, Ottoman and Turkish styles of art. The principal architect of Taj Mahal was Ahmad Shah Lahori. Material from all over India and Asia were used to construct the Taj Mahal, and over 1,000 elephants were used to carry building material. The white marble was sourced from Makrana in Rajasthan, turquoise from Tibet, lapis lazuli from Afghanistan, jade and crystal from China, and sapphire from Sri Lanka and Arabia. It is believed that Taj Mahal was constructed in such a way that white marble reflects the sky. So the monument changes its colors during the day. Early morning, the Taj appears pinkish, milky white at noon, a sparkling golden at sunset, and shimmering silver in the moonlight. It is the final resting place of Arjuman Banu, also known as Mumtaz Mahal. We will know about Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is widely accepted as the most major tourist attraction in China, having been built originally to defend the Chinese Empire from enemies to the north. The Great Wall, however, offers more than just history. Its length covers stunning beaches, rugged mountains, and even a desert corridor. The longest wall of Great Wall is approximately 2,145 miles. Additionally, about 1,770 miles branch from the sides, making it the longest man-made structure in the world by far. The length of Chinese defense wall built over last 2,000 years is approximately 31,070 miles. To put this into perspective, it could circle the world 2 times. The mortar used to bind the stones was made out of rice flour. The Great Wall attracts around 50 million foreign visitors annually. The earliest major walls were built between 260 to 210 BC by the Qin dynasty. Though the Great Wall of China is not one of the 7 wonders of ancient world, it is one of the 7 wonders of medieval world. Now we'll know about Christ the Redeemer statue. Christ the Redeemer is a statue in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil that was built as a symbol of Brazilian Christianity. In 1850, the idea of building a religious monument was suggested by a Catholic priest. It was until 1920 when a group petitioned for support to build a landmark statue that it became a reality. The design was chosen from several ideas and construction began in 1920s, taking 9 years to finish. Today, Christ the Redeemer is one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Christ the Redeemer is the largest Art Deco statue in the world. It is 98 feet tall and the arms stretch to 92 feet wide. The statue weighs approximately 635 tons. Christ the Redeemer is located in the Tijuca Forest National Forest at the top of Corcovado Mountain. The statue is considered an icon of Rio de Janeiro and Brazil. We will know about Machu Picchu. At an altitude of about 8,000 feet, Machu Picchu, now one of the 7 wonders of the world, is a small city in the Andes, about 44 miles northwest of Cusco and about 3,000 feet above the Urubamba Valley. Inca ruler Pachacuti Inca Yupanqui built Machu Picchu in the mid-15th century. It appears to have been a sacred ceremonial city and an astronomical observatory. The largest peak in Machu Picchu, called Huayna Picchu, is also known as Hitching Post of the Sun. Most of the roughly 150 buildings in Machu Picchu were built of granite, so their ruins look like a part of mountains. The Inca made regular blocks of granite fit so tightly together that there are areas where a knife cannot fit between the stones. Many buildings had trapezoidal doors and thatched roofs. They used irrigation to grow corn and potatoes. Yale archaeologist Hiram Bingham discovered the ruins of the city in 1911. Now we will know about Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza is one of the 7 wonders of the world. It is located in Tinum municipality, Yucatan state, Mexico. It was one of the largest cities built by the Maya people. Chichen Itza is a Maya name. It means at the mouth of well of the Itza. It is also called as El Castillo, which in Spanish language means the castle. The design and layout of Chichen Itza was preciously planned. All the temples and pyramids were constructed in clusters. The 4 well-known clusters are Great North Platform, the Central Group, the Old Chichen, and the Osari Group. The city of Chichen Itza was constructed on an area of approximate 5 square kilometers, and the buildings of city were made of stones. It is said that Chichen Itza was built too close to large natural sinkholes, and there are no rivers or other water sources to close this area. The 2 sinkholes were capable of providing water throughout the year. One of the sinkhole was used as a place of human sacrifice in times of drought. The sacrifice was made to Chac god, the Maya god, for rains to end the drought. Archaeologists suggest that between 900 AD and 1050 AD, Chichen Itza expanded and became the region's capital, controlling most parts of the northern and central Yucatan Peninsula. All the 4 sides of El Castillo have 91 steps. Adding all these steps and including the temple platform of the temple as the final step, the total count comes to 365. It represents the number of days in Maya calendar year. There are around 13 ball courts for playing the Mesoamerican ball game in Chichen Itza. The Great Ball Court is the most impressive of all. It is 225 feet wide and 545 feet long. It has no discontinuity between the walls, has no vaults, and is totally open to sky. Kukulkan Pyramid is one of the most visited and famous sites in Chichen Itza. The height of the pyramid is 30 meters. The Osari is quite similar but is smaller in size and has an opening to natural cave as its center. It is said that Chichen Itza was an important pilgrim place for the Maya people. Now we will know about Roman Colosseum. The Colosseum in Rome in Italy is one of the most iconic tourist draws in Europe. Upon stepping inside this millennia-old amphitheater, visitors get a good feel for the medieval life of time when it was used to entertain, even though what stands there today is just a skeleton of its former glory. Built thousands of years ago, the Roman Colosseum amphitheater was used mainly for gladiator events where trained gladiators would fight against each other to their deaths, watched over by the thousands of people that could fit inside the venue. Theatrical performances were also put on there for royalty as well as animal hunts and fighting, not forgetting executions of criminals. Archaeologists and historians have estimated that human death count within the Colosseum reached 5 lakh and the animal death count doubled it. The Roman Colosseum was built following the Jewish War, almost as a political peace offering from war's victor Emperor Vespasian. It was built on the site where the Vespasian predecessor, Nero, built his extravagant and overly expensive personal palace, and was meant to restore the land to the citizens of Rome. With all this in mind, it's easy to understand just why the Colosseum is so well protected and still loved after these years. It is perfect portrait of the flamboyance and extravagance of the time, which was counteracted by the mass death and love of brutality. that was prevalent then too. Now we will know about Petra. The ancient city of Petra in Jordan became one of the 7 new wonders of the world when it was chosen in 2007 by a vote of 100 million people. The city's carved red rose sandstone, rock facades, tombs, and temples became known around the world with its appearance in Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade in 1989. Ever since, Petra has become the most visited tourist attraction in Jordan and one of the most visited archaeological sites in the world. Established possibly as early as 312 BCE as the capital city of Arab Nabateans, it is a symbol of Jordan as well as Jordan's most visited tourist attraction. The Nabateans were nomadic Arabs who benefited from the proximity of Petra to the regional trade routes in becoming a major trading hub, thus enabling them to gather wealth. The Nabateans are also known as for their great ability in constructing efficient water collecting methods in barren deserts and their talent in carving structures into solid rocks. It is on the slope of Jebel al-Madbah in a basin among the mountains which form the eastern flank of Araba, the large valley running out from the Dead Sea to the Gulf of Aqaba. Petra has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1985.